Today, we will learn about the ratio of super-Earth LHS1140. This super-Earth in the constellation Cetus. Maybe it's us outside the Earth, searching for the best hope for life. Astronomers at the University of Montreal excited about this planet that vented earlier. Initially, he's just another poor exoplanet. It looks completely nondescript. However, new information from the Webb Space Telescope reveals this planet is much more interesting than originally thought. Its mass is almost 6 times that of the Earth. The attractive force is much stronger than the Earth if there is life there. That would be bigger than any life we've ever seen. The forms are more peculiar. When LHS1140b was first discovered in 2017, astronomers believe that it resembles a small Neptune with heavy hydrogen and a harmful atmosphere. But here's the big news. When the powerful field of vision of the SCARF telescope focusing on this exoplanet, watch him as he passes by. The advanced instruments of the telescope have discovered this planet, Qinghai atmosphere without jade. It's almost as if the gas has disappeared. In fact, the SCARF space telescope found the atmosphere of LHS1140b is rich in bombs. It's similar to the atmosphere on Earth. If this one, the planet's atmosphere, is the same as Earth's, then he may also have more than the Earth. Vast oceans of liquid water. And where there is liquid water in, the possibility of life would be greatly increased. Due to LHS1140b, it could be a rare super-Earth. It's partly frozen, covered by a vast ocean of liquid water. Make him the #1 target in the search for alien life. So far, the only surface known to contain liquid, the planet of water, is the Earth. Sure, LHS 1140, everything on the wall will not be related to the Earth exactly the same, because this super-Earth is tidally locked around its red dwarf. This means that his side is always facing the stars. The other side is covered in ice. The ice melts on the side of the star. Make this planet. It looks like one giant ice hockey floating in space. Scientists speculate that that's in the temperate zone there. There may be some form of life in the ocean. Although the SCARF space telescopes are our current, the most powerful astronomical device, but he's not the perfect tool for observing exoplanets. Due to the fact that the telescope is located at a specific location in space, only LHS1140b can be observed annually, crossing in front of the star 8 times. In addition, the use of telescopes is in great demand. Waiting in line can take years. To confirm this planet, is there indeed liquid water or ice? More observation time is required. The astronomers who led the study, striving for it, get SCARF, more observation time for the telescope. Hope ASAP, confirm this super. Is there really water on Earth? Perhaps in the near future, we will find this super-Earth is not only covered with water, perhaps even a mysterious one. Planet of Sea World. It is home to all kinds of exotic alien life, exploring the possibility of life on other planets. Exciting, no doubt. And LHS1140b is not the only candidate. Actually, Webb, mysterious planet discovered by space telescopes. Far more than one. This June, astronomers at the University of St. Andrews have discovered, located about 55 light-years from Earth, Chen, around dwarf stars, there are 3 potential super-Earths. Distance from the star. The third farthest planet is located in the habitable zone. What makes this discovery so remarkable? Because of this, into dwarfs similar to the stars in our solar system. More stable, emitting lethal radiation like a red dwarf star. Harm the planets that form around it. We also know that the size and mass of a planet it must meet certain standards to maintain life. The lowest masses of these 3 super-Earths, from 5 to 5 on Earth, between 11 times. Planetary conditions more than 15 times the mass of Earth. Bad for life. All eyes are now on the detour. On the third planet that orbits every 151 days. If the conditions are right, there might be life there too. Astronomers plan to use high-contrast direct imaging and high-resolution spectral imaging technologies. In-depth exploration of this planet. In this discovery, Webb Space Telescope once again demonstrated its great ability. From Marx, astronomers at the Planck Institute for Astronomy Successful direct, captured distance from Earth. 12 light-years gas giant star. Indian Leaf Slen. A planet in a star system. Telescope and image. The shading instrument used will. The light of the stars is blocked out, so that the planets around the star are clearly visible. To be able to directly photograph such a distant planet. It's truly amazing, although this planet is thought to have been the coldest exoplanet ever discovered. But it's not as warm as Neptune's moons. The sea sweater is so cold. The surface temperature of the latter is minus 236 degrees Celsius. And this one, the temperature of the gaseous giant is about 2 degrees Celsius, about 100 degrees Celsius higher than Jupiter. The reason why this temperature profile is important, because of some gaseous temperatures can reach thousands of degrees Celsius. And this gaseous giant has a moderate temperature. In its gas clouds, carbon dioxide may be present. Conditions provided by components such as methane and carbon monoxide. The existence of these substances implies the existence of life. Possibility in addition. For science fiction fans, Indiana App's Cold Galaxy appeared in Star Trek episodes, in novels and video games. People have long speculated there could be planets in this galaxy. Now seeing real discoveries. Certainly a dream come true. But think about planets out there. These planets don't have stars. The only child travels between galaxies. They are no ordinary planets, but rather something like a star. Challenge does. The traditional understanding of star formation. Astronomers refer to them as zombie planets. This is Webb Space Telescope so far, one of the most bizarre celestial bodies ever discovered. In the NGC 1333 star cluster 960 light-years from Earth. Ray at Johns Hopkins University. Gardena and her colleagues discovered 6 strange new worlds. These planets are called zombie planets because they travel like stars. Surprisingly, the smallest of these celestial bodies may be pregnant. Create your own miniature solar system. The mass of these celestial bodies, about 5 to 10 times the size of Jupiter. However, due to its quality, not enough to maintain pro-nuclear fusion. Therefore, it failed to evolve into a star. These stiffness, is there a possibility of life on a corpse planet? Very little. But as our exploration of the universe continues to deepen, bizarre and unusual discoveries continue to emerge. Scarf Space Telescope. Not only have these pitch-black zombie planets been discovered, also found a mysterious zombie galaxy. Revealed a major concern about our galaxy. The big secret lies in a distant universe. Scarf telescopes have captured one about 20 million years ago. Galaxies that stopped forming stars. This galaxy was once thought to be dead, but scientists were surprised to find he was alive again. Restart form. Stellar astronomers use telescopes when observing distant galaxies. Typically, we see the birth of new stars. But when they first saw this galaxy, judging his death, because no new star formation was found. Since light takes time to travel, stars seen by astronomers, the system is actually about after the Big Bang, 650 million years. It is the earliest known universe. One of the galaxies that formed. When researchers analyzed data from the galaxy, discovered traces of young stars. Also detected even older stars. This means that after 100 million years of star formation, this galaxy has been quiet for about 20 million years. Then suddenly it comes back to life, and continue to breed new stars. A galaxy dies and comes back to life. Without a doubt, a very peculiar phenomenon. Then this discovery. What secrets have you learned about our galaxy? Original. Our galaxy is also a zombie galaxy. Yes, we live in a world that has experienced in dead galaxies. Astronomers from Tohoku University in Japan. Noguchi studies the history of the Milky Way. Discovered this galaxy in about 10 billion years of history. There were 2 major periods of star formation. Milky Way, to a giant creature with multiple lives. Have had several busy life activities. A long time ago, cold gas enters the galaxy, formed the first generation of stars. Over time, some of these rivalries go off as supernovae. New elements such as Jiangyang plum are scattered into the galaxy. These new materials are mixed with gases. That led to the birth of more stars. But about 7 billion years ago, something big happened. Other UN, the shock wave of the prime causes the gas in the galaxy Intense warming. It stops the flow of gas. This results in galaxies entered a quiet period of 2 billion years. No longer formed. New stars emerge during this period. Some old stars explode, releasing a large amount of iron. About 5 billion years ago, the gas in the galaxy is cooling again. This cooling enable the galaxy to begin a second round of star formation, forming a new generation of stars including the Sun. These new galaxies compared to the first generation of stars contains more iron. From this it seems, the history of the galaxy has been full of ups and downs. It's like being reborn multiple times, constantly creating new stars.